Another winning day, but not really how I wanted it. Um, so I took this trade, but as you can see, um, only got out for 131. Um, but before we really delve into that, I'm gonna tell y'all what I was seeing. So pretty much in the overnight sessions, London respects this gap. We sweep midnight price as well as sweeping Asia low, respect this gap, and we're pretty much going up. So on the lower time frames, and even on this time frame, I'm seeing London highs and everything after it, like in this little area, as low resistance liquidity. So I'm looking for this high to get taken. So that's what I'm seeing. Um, and that's pretty much what happens. Um, going down to the lower time frame though. Hold up. Going down to the lower time frame, we can see we keep climbing, and then we're just like chopping around. And for just the entirety of the macro, but we eventually take out. So we eventually take out this high, and we do the same on ES, and then it's chopping around, and we're approaching the just this swing high on both time frames. So then I'm like, all right, I'm pretty confident price is gonna spill here. So price spills, we get a gap. Price enters my level, right? So I'm pretty confident in this trade. Like I'm like pretty confident. I put in my thing. I put my stop here, top of the gap, and I put my TP at this gap that hasn't been filled yet. Cause I'm like, we're gonna take out all of these lows and we're gonna take out this gap. So that's my thought process. But so price is kind of like approaching, cause I kind of enter like right here. Price kind of comes up a little bit, and then it just drops. Like it just completely drops, and I didn't know if this was like news or something, cause it just like dropped like violently. It was like going up and down, like just going up and down. And I wasn't sure if it was news. I don't know. I mean, I checked news before, but like I didn't know if like Trump was speaking or something or whatever. And it just dropped. Obviously, in hindsight, I wish I stayed in the trade, because full TP would have been hit. I would have caught 90 points, 8 RR trade, right? Would have been a banger trade, but obviously that's not the case. Price was kind of coming back up to here. It's like kind of here, and I got out because I didn't really like. I didn't know if Trump was speaking or something. I got kind of scared, gonna be honest, but it's kind of frustrating. But we ended up on a win, so I really wanted to get out as soon as I saw 500, because I'm like, I don't know if we're gonna go up after this or down, because we just dropped so violently. Like if you were on the charts too, you would have seen like it just violently dropped. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade. Um, only caught like I pretty much got out like right here, or like something like that in this area. In this area. Ah, that's frustrating though, bro. If I just stayed in a minute longer, it's whatever, bro. It's whatever. It's so freaking annoying, bro. I can't lie. But I can't really hold myself. Like, I can't really like be like, damn, cause what if that really was some? You know what I'm saying? But I mean, I'm just glad I read the day correctly. Um, you know, my analysis was pretty much spot on. I was just waiting and being patient. So I followed my rules. I was disciplined. I entered when I felt confident about the trade. So that's really what um most proud of. Other than, I mean, if I could do it over, I would definitely not get out that early because I got scared, but it's whatever. We still have 3 more days in the trading week. So yeah, as you can see, it only took one trade. Um, yeah, kind of frustrating, like I said, but it's whatever. We're still ending the day on a win. Um, damn, bro. It's all good. So let me go over the Forex replay. Just unlucky on my end. Obviously, emotions kicked in a little bit, but you know, still a little unlucky. Like I've never like prices violently dropped. So pretty much, as you can see, May was just green and red, green and red, green and red, green and red. Like it wasn't much of either. I mean, it was a lot of both, but it wasn't like I was winning, or it was pretty much like break even for me. Um, so my wins are obviously kind of bigger than my losses. Like I don't know. It was backtesting is getting tedious, bro. Um, obviously I'm gonna backtest today. We're doing well in June, cooking in June. Honestly, not much to really say. Um, yeah, I just want to show y'all that I'm continuing to backtest. I want to finish June today, get into July, and yeah, we're obviously crushing it on the profit and loss, but I don't really care too much about that. We're up almost 30K. So, yeah. Damn, bro, that's so annoying, bro. Damn. If 90, so 100 points, 5 minis is what? 1,000? I think. Because 100 points is 400 ticks. One contract would be 2,000. So I want to say that would have been like 1,000. Because I went in with 5 micros, so. It's whatever, bro. It's whatever. Damn, that's actually so annoying. I can't lie. That's actually so frustrating. But continuing to practice discipline, follow my rules and stuff like that, and you know, gonna continue to do that. Hopefully, y'all are doing the same when it comes to trading. So y'all have a good day.